V-Chek Nasal Self-Test Kit for COVID-19 Antigen. Test yourself any time of the day. No restrictions such as eat, drink, or smoke before testing. Painless and easy experience. Just swab both nostrils. V-Chek Nasal is accurate and trusted by professionals with accuracy up to 98.4%. Scan QR code on the box to check authenticity of the kit. Fill in your information accordingly. Fill in the lot number of the kit. Do not use the test if the lot number cannot be recognized. Contents of the kit. Number 1. Pouch. Test cassette and desiccant. 2. Swab. 3. Tube with buffer. 4. Instruction for use. 5. Quick guide. 6. Biohazard bag. Wash your hands with soap before doing the test. Remove all components of the kit and place it on the table. Remove the buffer tube from packaging and push it through the hole in the middle of the box. Remove the swab from the pouch. Insert the entire absorbent tip of the swab into the left nostril and swipe firmly against the inside of the nostril more than 5 times in a circular motion. Take out the swab and insert the swab into the right nostril and also firmly stroke the inside of the nostril more than 5 times in a circular motion. Then take out the swab, open the cap of the tube, dip the swab tip into the tube and vigorously rotate the swab tip at least 10 times in the buffer. Remove the swab while squeezing the sides of the tube to extract the liquid from the swab. Put the swab into the biohazard bag. Take out the V-Chek test kit and place it on a flat surface. Break the buffer tube cap. Add 3 drops of the sample well. And wait for 15 minutes to read the result. Scan QR code on the bottom right of the quick guide to access My Sejahtera application. Upload your test result accordingly. Put the used V-Chek test kit into the biohazard bag and the box. Dispose the box into the dustbin. Wash your hands one more time. V-Chek Nasal Self-Test Kit. Reliable and convenient to keep your loved ones and people around them safe and assured. Visit www.covidtestkits.my for more information.